Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today we're installing some Inlight lights. It's a company locally. I'll tag them in this video, Inlight Lighting. If you like what you see today, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content, which is usually 3 days a week, but surprise, surprise, Studio Man's out of town, so I'm trying to put up one video a day of our updates or something that I find interesting at the job site. So we're going a little more guerrilla style. Anyway, so this is a limited edition Hive 22 black with a Dr. Dex logo on the bottom. What do you think of that, huh? All right, so basically we already have all our holes laid out and drilled, and we already have our low voltage wire ran. This is 12 gauge low voltage wire. You can get it at any landscape supply house or home center. I like to buy it in longer rolls, so I usually get it in 500 footers at least. All right, so I'm just gonna run the light. The light has a pigtail with a connector on it that you'll hook up to this other part. So what I like to do is I like to take my logo and point it down, and I never fully install the light until I make sure it's lit. Okay, then there's a connector piece. Now the connector piece comes with 3 pieces. There's the adapter for the 12 gauge wire. If you have thicker gauge wire, you don't need to use this adapter, but because we're using 12 gauge, the wire fits in there. You can see those little grooves on the sides. They fit into that right there. Okay, so this goes together like this. There's some barbs on the inside of this adapter or connector, and that's what pierces the wire to make the electrical connection. So once you put that on, then you put this cap and you screw that on nice and tight, and then when it clicks, it actually expels a little bit of dielectric grease from inside here that helps keep the connection from corroding in the future. Okay? All right, so let's hook one up and see how we do. All right, so you're gonna take our adapter, put that snugly on the wire, and then take our connector like a sole, and then I take this cap and I start screwing it on. Okay, now when I get it close, and you guys will come, you'll hear it click. Here we go. There it goes. All right, so now that grease is kind of compressed and pushed into the barbs. So all that's left to do now is just take the end of our light and hook it up to the connector, and then we should have light. Huh. Let's try that again. This happens sometimes. Okay, what'd I do wrong? Okay, like I was saying before, we should have light. There it is. All right, guys. So now that we have light, now if this was not such an enclosed area, like if it was underneath the deck, we would staple this all together and make it nice and clean. But because the only way to access this light will be through the face, I'm gonna leave a little bit of slack in it so I can pull it out if I ever need to service it. But now that it's done, I usually would take a light mallet and tap it in, but we'll just use my hand. And there you go. That's how you install the Inlight lights. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Leave a comment below on how you like this type of video compared to our standard videos. And leave a comment, and don't forget to like our videos, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.